Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Friends, my today's video is very useful for you because in this video I am sharing a wide variety of 50 plus creative, simple, easy to make, very beautiful, wonderful, unique style, all new, latest, all-time hit designs of boatneck style, necklace style, hand embroidery designs for specifically designing your necklines. Where you can use these design ideas, you can use these very beautiful patterns of embroidery for neckline for designing your shirts, kameez, kurti, peplum, gown, jalebia, abayas, or any type of the upper or the top that you used to wear. Even you can use these very beautiful and pretty design ideas of neckline to design your bodycon dresses or to enhance the beauty of your bodycon dresses as well. So I hope that you are getting more creative ideas, you are liking these patterns, and even you can use these very beautiful creativity of neckline embroidery ideas to design your whole dress as a back neck embroidery as well. Even you can use these few floral patterns or few mini flowers of from the whole pattern as a all over spray to your dress as well for designing your sleeves as well. So the thread which you could use to make this very beautiful, pretty and elegant pattern is anchor, DMC, or any type of silky threads as well for giving it a touch of silk or Chinese inspired embroidery, for making it look like Hungarian embroidery, satin embroidery, or Mexican traditional style embroidery, or Turkey style embroidery. You must have to use anchor and DMC to give a more creative, realistic and pretty look. From my channel you can get creative and amazing ideas on daily basis related to hand art, hand embroidery, girls fashionable accessories, ladies fashion world. On my channel you can get creative ideas related to hand embroidery, machine embroidery, fabric painting, liquid embroidery, crochet, knitting, stitching design patterns, and many more creativities related to women fashion world. So stay tuned for the new upcoming videos. Up till then, take care and don't go anywhere. Watch the video till end and leave comments below my videos, and also give us suggestions that how we can improve our content, how we could be more creative, understandable and more supportive. Only your comments are our only sole, simple, single way of your feedback, and your feedback does matter a lot to us. So keep showering your love, keep informing us through your comments, and keep giving us feedback. And with this may allow me to leave, and I hope you will enjoy our new upcoming videos as well.